Welcome viewers. Hope you are having a good time. Our today's project is how to make buttonhole. We will learn two easy method in this video. I will explain you in very simple way so the beginner can do it very easily. Okay, let's start. For this purpose, I have cast on 10 stitches and have knitted 8 rows for border. Mostly we have used one-sided knitting pattern for border, so I have made 8 rows with one-sided knitting pattern. From here we will start to making buttonhole. Our buttonhole will complete in 3 rows. So at the starting of first row, firstly knit 5 stitches from back side. Here we have equal stitches on both needle. Then turn the thread to front side and knit 1 stitch from back side. Now knit next 4 stitches from back side. Here we can see an hole making at middle of the stitches. This method of knitting 6 stitch from back side with the thread turning of front side make one more stitch that make an hole. Now we have 11 stitches on needle. In second row we will knit all 11 stitches from back side including increased stitch. In third row, we will knit firstly 4 stitches from back side, then join 5th and 6th stitch together. Just like this. Then again knit remaining stitches from back side. Our buttonhole pattern has been completed. Then again make some more rows from back side to start our second method of making buttonhole. This method also complete in 3 rows, but in previous method we have made small buttonhole with 1 stitch. In this method we will make little bigger buttonhole with 2 stitches. Here we will firstly knit 6 stitches. Then put off 5th stitch over the 6th stitch. Then knit 7th stitch and put off 6th stitch over the 7th stitch. Then knit all remaining stitches from back side. Here we can see, because of putting of 2 stitches, we have a gap between stitches and we have equal number of stitches on both sides of gap. Here one thing should be learned: if we have cast on even number of stitches, then we should put off even number of stitches for buttonhole. If you need bigger buttonhole, you cast on stitches according to your buttonhole stitches. If you're putting off odd number of stitches, then you will have to cast on odd number of stitches. Then your buttonhole will make at the middle of the border stitches. Okay, now turn to second row. We will firstly knit 4 stitches from back side. Then cast on 2 stitches on needle. Then knit other 4 stitches from back side. Here we again have 10 stitches on our needle. In third row, we will knit all our stitches from back side. Our second method of buttonhole making has been completed in 3 rows. Then make some more rows. I have tried to teach you more simple and easy method for making buttonhole. Hope you will like it. Please share my video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.